Hi, thanks for sending your questions to Snapmath. So I'm going to do the first problem, and the first problem is a distance formula question. And as you can see, I wrote the distance formula out. So now we're going to make this the x1, and this the y1, and then these the 2s, so x2 and y2. Now we just plug into the formula, so you kind of rewrite the formula, and you have 6 minus, and then it's a negative 2, so it's going to change to positive 2 squared plus, and then y2 is 7 minus 3 squared. All right, so we have d equals, and this will be 8 squared plus 4 squared. This will be 64 plus 16, and we get 80. Now we have to break down 80 to a simplified radical. So what we do is make a little prime factorization tree. So this will be 8 times 10. This will be 4 times 2. And I circle my prime numbers. 2 times 2. And this is 2 times 5. So now, what you want to do is you want to pull out any pair of numbers, and that's going to come outside the radical. So as you see, I have a pair of 2's here, and then a pair of 2's here. So 2 2's will come out and will be on the outside. So it'll be 2 times 2 on the outside, and I'm left with this 5 on the inside of the radical. And that will be 4 rad 5. All right. Next question is midpoint formula. But they give you one point, one of the endpoints, and then they give you the midpoint, and we have to find the other endpoint. It's a little tricky. So as you see, I have the formula x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2. What you want to do is rewrite the formula in this way, because we don't know the x2 and the y2. So I'm going to rewrite it x1 plus x2 over 2, and that's going to equal our midpoint of our x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in what I know. I know my x1 is 2 plus what I don't know over 2 equals, and I do know my midpoint, x is 6. So I solve this. I multiply by 2 on each side to get rid of that denominator 2. That will be 12. So my x2 will equal 10. All right, so then that's my x value of my a. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my y. Put it right here. So we have y1 plus y2 over 2 equals midpoint of y. I know 1 plus, I don't know my y2, divided by 2 equals 8. So I multiply by 2 on each side. That equals 16. And my y2 will equal 15. And then that will be my other endpoint. All right, thanks for sending your questions to Snapmath. Have a great day.